that. I don't know what does that look like. Sheet.
Boss chick, you that. Them now fi yak so who that. Stand out, well hot. Dress back, she no regular girl. No regular. My girl, no regular girl.
Little do you know, sauce. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title, we're gonna be doing a Fashion Nova haul. Okay, so these Fashion Nova outfits was supposed to be for a whole trip, like, but you know, shit get canceled, sis get quarantined. Technically I'm not really quarantined because I still go to work, but whatever, we're not gonna talk about that right now. We're just gonna talk about these outfits that I didn't get to wear, so I'm about to show y'all. Yeah, so let's get into it. But let me tell y'all, these outfits was not expensive. Like, y'all know y'all like these cheap shit the same way I like these cheap shit, so we gonna get into it. But for real, this is exactly why you clicked on the video, ain't it? Because you seen it said cheap Fashion Nova outfits. Let me stop. Anyways, so let me tell y'all where I'm supposed to be going, because some of these outfits look like, oh, it's springtime out here, why you wearing that? Okay, I was supposed to be going to London. Yeah, so that's why some of these outfits look like it's gonna be cold and some shit. Like, yeah, that's why I look like that. We gonna start off with this cute Fashion Nova queen top. Yeah, queenin top. So for this queenin top, I paid $11.44. I mean, it's a little cute, whatnot. It's not expensive, $11. You spend more money on other shit. You could buy a little t-shirt for $11. Let me show you what that look like. I hate white because, so when you wear a lot of makeup, I'm messy. I tend to get a lot of makeup on my stuff. So this is what it look. I just took it out the pack, so it looked kind of crushed. Don't come for me. Yeah, it looked like this. Cute. So that was $11.44. It's not bad. Don't clock my wallet. We're gonna go into this other shirt. This hood music top. Listen, I don't know about one, but I love blue. I love blue. I don't know my favorite color, but I don't know. It just looked nice by me. So this, let me tell you how much this was. This was $14.62. I don't know what the difference between this and the other one, the white one. Why I'm paying $11 for that, and how much? $14 for this. Maybe I because them like tie-dye it, but I can't make that. Anyways, it's cute, and that's why I buy it. Yeah, this was just supposed to be for, like, you know, we going out, coming back, whatever, going sightseeing type shit. Yeah. Then we gonna go into the jeans. So this some ankle jeans, no, regular jeans. They got like the little cuff at the end, like, you see that? Yeah. I like these, like when they stop at your ankle and they got like the little cuff. I like them. They're cute. They're cute. Because, you know, sometimes your jeans be hanging down and they start touching the floor. And, Anyways, these were for $15. I got them at a sale because I think they was having a sale when I bought these. Don't ask me when I bought them because I don't remember. Just know I was supposed to be going to London. Anyways, yeah, so they look like this. They stretchy, nice. I like them. They stretch right here at the thighs too, cause you know my thighs ain't no little things. Yeah. So we gonna move on to the next one. This, I don't remember what this was. What was this? Oh, this was a jumpsuit. So this jumpsuit, I like burgundy. I like it. It's cute. I have a lot of burgundy lipsticks and stuff too. Yeah, I like burgundy. We just gonna leave it at that. I like burgundy. That's why I bought this. So this was for $25. It's like this. Yeah, it got the little cinch in the waist and whatnot. Here we go with the ankle stuff again. I'm telling y'all. I don't like when my clothes sweep on the floor. I hate it. But yeah, that's cute. Then we gonna go in to this. It better have been cold as shit in London because I was over here buying these things like so this technically I was supposed to wear over my outfit to wear to the airport. Yeah. It's like a little sweater. Yeah. It looked like this. It looked like that. It got little pockets and stuff to drop your little things, and then when you're going through security and whatnot, well, after you come through security, because I work at the airport, don't come through the security with nothing in your pocket. Anyways, yeah. Well, I'm tell you, this heavy. It's heavy. I know I wear it. God know it's heavy. But yeah, it come with this to tie around the little waist. So if you want to look up, put it on and then tie it up and make it feel like say your waist this and your waist actually this. But yeah, we're not gonna get to that. We're not gonna get to that. Oh, I'm not telling the price for that. No, wait, hold on. I thought I did the most expensive something by so that was $31. But they tell them to say that cheap. But they tell them to say that cheap. Yeah, $31. So we're gonna go to the outfit itself, isn't it? So this, let me tell you something. So when me I travel, I like to be comfortable. Even though me being at work at the airport, we have to wear certain things, comply with the airline. But me like to be comfortable. And this year, it didn't make me feel comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Well, it looked like it gonna make me feel comfortable. Come never get to wear it. I just have to take everything out of the bag today. So, cause see the people in my turn me back in the day, so where me I go? So, you have this little one piece here. You see it? It that short. This so it stop. This so it stop. It cute though. But you know when you put it on and it just yes. And then you have, God, I don't know what this look like sheet, but it cute. It looks so. It's like a little cardigan. That's what I call it. It's a cardigan. So you put over that. Is what I say? That I drop my make. I never go wear this at the airport. I never go wear it. I drop my make. I probably did use not something else what I go wear, but yeah, so the cardigan. So that's that outfit, and that was for $25. So that was $25. You hear me say? Don't watch my wallet. Stop out of press them, coming on out of press them. I saw these little cute glasses. If you know me, you know I got like a million of these little thingies. These little glasses. I'm a glasses fanatic, if I so to call it. I need a whole closet just for glasses alone. So this was like supposed to be glasses in, you know when you work at the airport and you're traveling, you don't want nobody see you. Okay, you're tired of it. But see you enough when I'm there at work. When I'm not there at work, I don't want to see you. This glasses was for, it's cute though, no. This glasses was for $6. $6. So Uno tell me one can buy some other glass. It looks so cute and be something for $6. No way, right? Fashion Nova, we might talk a lot of things about Fashion Nova, but let me tell you something. How does some get most of my things in from? We're not gonna go there. Leave me alone. That was all the stuff that I got for my little trip, because I was just gonna go for a wedding. That's why I didn't really buy that many things. I bought enough. It was gonna be for like 4 days. And I had my other stuff packed in my suitcase, but we're not gonna go to that. We're not gonna go in that. Okay? Hold on. I'm thirsty. Yeah. So that was everything, and everything came up to, we can't find the receipt. But I'm telling the price for everything, so I'm not telling nothing to add it up. But you can't add it up, see? It never expensive. It never expensive. And this was like a sale. You know, Fashion Nova have sale every damn day. Roxanne, stop curse so much. Stop it. Stop it. I'll link each one of the items down below in the description box for you guys to, you know, if you want to go check it out or whatever, it'll be down there. But yeah, that was basically everything. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. Quarantine time, we dropping a lot of videos. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.